Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your TikTok account. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the TikTok app. As you can see, I'm going to open this one. So let's click on this. So after opening the TikTok app, what we need to do, we have to click on the profile section, and after clicking on the profile section, we need to click on this icon. So let's click on this. So as you can see, has an option for the setting and privacy. So let's click on the setting and privacy. So as you can see, now we have to click on the first option, which is account. So let's click on the account. So after clicking on the account, as you can see, has an option for the deactivate or delete your account. So we have to click on this option. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on the delete or deactivate, here are some notes you guys have to read there. And as you can see, the first option is deactivate account. If you want to deactivate your account, you can also do that, and no one can see your account including all content this is stored in it. Reactivate your account and recover all content anytime. You have to this first option, and what will happen, and delete your account permanently. Your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So you have to choose the option which suits you. For example, I'm going to deactivate account. So let's click on the deactivate account, and now you have to click on the deactivate, and simply your account will be deactivated if you want to delete it in that way. So in this way you can delete or deactivate your account. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can delete your TikTok account. So see you guys in the next video.